Namaste. I, Sheetal Singh, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So, the rational use of drug and the calculation of drug doses is done. So, in this, the rational use of drug. Any drug is made with the help of combination or mixture of the chemical with which sometime harm to the other part of the body. Rational use, that is patient is having hypertension, then the goal is to reduce blood pressure to the normal level in order to prevent prolonged hypertension, thus creating complication. Once identifying the person suffering from specific disease, the physical or nurses should find out other factor contribution, the ill effect of the prescribed drug. Any drug required good renal or hepatic system to pass drug and to be drained out or metabolized in the body. The choice of drug has to be made wisely by the physician or nurses to avoid the side effect. Drug interaction contraindication must be done properly. Nurse should follow the six right of the drug administration to avoid the wrong administration of the drug. Use of combination drug can be one opinion in the treatment like ibuprofen, brufen plus paracetamol. So, by this, we have concluded that the rational use of drug required the patient receiving medication appropriate to their clinical needs. We also conclude that uh, doses that meet their own requirement of an adequate period of time and at lowest cost to them and their community. Now the drug calculation. So the pharmacotherapeutic and the principle of the therapeutics, according to that, any substance produce the use intent to be used to modify or explore physiological system or pathological system or pathology state for the benefits of the recipient. Pharmacology in pharmacokinetic, biological and therapeutic effect of drug is studied, and in the pharmacokinetic, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of the drug is studied. The relationship between pharmacokinetic and the pharmacodynamic is drug is taken, then drug is absorbed in the bloodstream and is available for the circulation. Drug is metabolized. This is the pharmacokinetic. Then drug is concentrated at the time of the action. Then drug is excreted. During the time of the site of the action, the pharmacological effect is done and the clinical response, we get the clinical response like side effect and efficacy. The pharmacological effect, clinical response of side effect or efficacy is the pharmacodynamic. So, drug and patient related factors. Drug and patient related factor determine the selection and the route of drug administration. These are characteristics of the drug, emergency routine use, condition of patient, unconscious, vomiting and diarrhea, age of patient, associated disease, patient and doctor choice. So the patient variables that affect the drug actions are age, illness, cumulative effect, psychological overlay, dependence, body weight. Then the pharmacokinetics, it contains the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. So, package insert information is composition, drug dose per tablet, scheduled, pharmacological classification, pharmacological action, indication, contraindication, doses and the direction for uses, side effect and spatial proportion, known symptom of overdose and particular of its treatment, identification, physical description of tablet, presentation, package details, storage, instruction, registration number, and name of applicant. Now the pharmacodynamic mechanism of action. The ways by which drugs can produce therapeutic effect. Once the drug is at the site of action, it can modify the rate, increase or decrease the rate at which the cell or tissue function. A drug cannot make a cell or tissue perform a function it was not designed to perform. Pharmacodynamic, the effect of drug has one on the body based on either non-specific action binding with the receptor and enzyme interaction. Pharmacodynamic non-specific action depend on the drug's accumulation in the cell membrane. Specific action resulting from the drug becoming affixed to the receptor, that is binding to the receptor. Drug can only increase or decrease the cell function. They cannot totally alter the action of the specific cell. Mechanism of action is cell membrane, metabolic process within the cell and outside the cell. Cell membrane, specific receptor agonist, antagonist on adenoreceptor, interference with a specific passage of ion across the membrane, for example, calcium channel blocker. Outside the cell, direct chemical interaction, for example, chelating agent and antacid. Osmosis with the diuretic like the mannitol. Protein macromolecule agonist to the receptor protein, alter induce change within the cell response to the drug. Agonist is activate receptor, antagonist is blocker of the receptor. Now the additive effect is something like 1 plus 1 is 2 when the total pharmacological action of two or more drugs administered together is equivalent to the summarization of other inducer pharmacological action. For example, ephedrine and aminophylline in the treatment of bronchial asthma. Then synergetic effect is when the total pharmacological action of two or more drugs administered together is more than the summation of their individual pharmacological action. That is, for example, cotrimoxazole is sulfomethazole plus pyrimethamine is Septran. Then bioavailability. The extent of drug which is delivered to the circulation is expressed as percentage is the bioavailability. Then bioequivalency, the rate and the extent of absorption of two products is equivalent. No significant difference is there. That is bioequivalency. Drug uses curative as primary therapy, bacterial parasitic infection, or auxiliary therapy, anesthesia, ergometrin, and oxytocin in obstetric. suppressive of disease symptom used continually or intermittently to maintain health without attending cure, as in the hypertension, diabetes, epilepsy, asthma, to control the symptoms such as pain, cough, while awaiting recovery from cause. Preventive and prophylactic, as when a non-immune person enter a malarial area or contraception. Use more than one drug instantaneously. Possible response. The drug have no effect on each other. Antagonist. The combination result in a lower response than when either is given on its own. Potentiation. The response rate of the two drugs when combined is more than the sum of their independent response rate. Synergy, the combination offered greater effect than the sum of the two products given individually. For example, 1 plus 1 is 3 or more. Globally, there is move away from the polypharmacy. ADR, adverse drug reaction. An adverse drug reaction is the harmful or serious unpleasant effect caused by a drug at the dose intended for the therapeutic effect. Prophylaxis diagnoses which warrant reduction of dose, withdrawal of the drug, and or foretells the hazard from further administration. Degree of certainty of ADR, time from taking the drug is reasonable, even corresponding to what is known of drug event cease on stop drugging, even written on the starting drug. Probable, time sequence, reasonable, corresponding to what is known of drug seized on stopping drug not reasonably explained by the patient's disease. Possible, time sequence reasonable, correspond to what is known of drug, could be due to disease, other therapy. Conditional, time sequence reasonable, correspondence not to what is known of the drug, cannot be explained by the patient disease. Doubtful, event not meeting above criteria is doubtful. Anaphylaxis, systemic reaction in a sanitized human subject following repeat injection of a drug like penicillin characterized by the laryngeal edema, then several bronchospasms leading to anesthesia or circulatory collapse, for example, penicillin. Now, the clinical pharmacology. Scientific study of drug in man provide the factor for first improving treatment of patient. Second is understanding the drug. Third, understanding effect of drug in different age group. Clinical pharmacology. Phase 1 is pharmacokinetic, dose and safety. Phase 2 is safety and efficacy in small population. Phase 3 is safety and efficacy in large population. And phase 4 is post-marketing study, safety in special population and new indication. Clinical pharmacology and clinical trials. Randomization, non-randomization, control, open, and crossover. Placebo. Latin means I will please. Placebo are used for two purposes: as a control in scientific evaluation of drug or to benefit or please a patient not by a pharmacological action but by a psychological need. Therapeutic evaluation. Whether a drug is of value. and how it may be used best in use. Formal therapeutic trials are done. Surveillance studies for both efficacy and the adverse effect is done. Then the patient compliances, patient take prescribed drug, then failure due to non-comprehension of the instruction like inadequacy of the doctor or inadequacy of the patient, then comprehensive but failed due to carry out instruction. Factor for non-compliances are disease, psychiatric diagnosis, regimen, complexity and long duration, source of medicine, time wasting and inconvenient clinic, doctor inadequate supervision, patient relation, patient satisfaction, patient inappropriate health benefit. So this is all about this. Hope you will understand this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you and namaste.